Right, it's been a few days. We've sorted out another room in the loft. This is being sold. It's just like a UV nail kit. And then I've just got my laptop and stuff, clothes that I'm keeping, bin bag, rubbish. We're now gonna lift up the bed and see what's underneath. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. The duvet, I don't know what kind of duvet that is. Clothes. I'm gonna grab everything out and see where we are. Or I might just organise the clothes and put them into piles, so let me do that quickly. Right, I just got rid of some clothes from under the bed, I'll show you in a minute, but I've got a tub that fits under the bed. So I'm gonna put all the dolls and stuff that I'm selling, all of this. Hopefully, most of it will go in here. That is the plan. So dolls that are selling, these aren't for sale. These ones were my mum's when she was little, so these are keepers. These ones are all for sale. Isn't there anywhere else? So yeah, that is what I'm going to try and do now, and then I'm going to put them under the bed. I was optimistic as to what would fit in the box. All the dolls are fitted in, which is fine. But what I think I'm actually going to do, so I can get to things easier, is sort out behind here next, because there's more doll body parts here, but it's just a lot of stuff that probably doesn't need to be out, like the boxes that I can get rid of, and makeup and stuff that doesn't need to be out all the time. Stuff like this can go into my bathroom. So yeah, I'm gonna get all the doll bits off first, and then we shall see where we are. But there's just a lot, like, because all of this needs sorting, all of this, and then all of that. So it's just a lot, and it's a bit overwhelming. I'd like a cuddle. I'm putting all my makeup that is on here in those drawers, and this is obviously going to be a declutter video in itself, just because that's just bloody palettes, like, it's ridiculous. So, oh my goodness, Ben's washing is in my bathroom. Nail varnish. This is brand new stuff that I'm either going to put on Depop or Instagram, I'm not sure yet. If you want any of that, it's all brand new. Let me know. Oh god, and then this is just my stuff that needs to go in my bathroom, and then this is like witchy shit that I need to move. I got a box to go in the loft with like old photos and stuff like that. This is all my letters from people on YouTube I've had over the years, like little notes from brands, and then notes from lovely people, and like my first MAC lipstick. Yeah, so there's lots of lovely stuff in there. Friggin' love your channel, it's from Nicola. Just really lovely letters, so this is very important to me. So yeah, that is going to go in the loft box, because it doesn't need to be down here taking up space, but it's something that I do want to keep forever. So we're making some headway. I'm now just going through this. So this is stuff I want to keep over here. So we've got extra Fenty, extra moisturiser, cleanser, vitamin D drops, dry shampoo, deodorant. That's empty. I don't know why I've kept that. I'm in the bin. Those are probably out of date. We'll just get rid of them. Bleach I don't need. Vitamin C boost, we'll keep that. Boost we'll keep. Lysine we'll keep. 2 different lots of Avon. I've never even used them. That's probably like 200 quid worth of stuff, and it's just sat there. I just don't use it. A gloss for your hair, a thickening tonic for your hair, my protein spray that I use, mousse when I curl my hair, and a conditioning mist. So these are going to go in my bathroom. That's going to go in the bin. The bleach is going to go in the bin. What is that? Anti-redness cream. I don't use that. That can go in the bin. Then we've got crystals, more makeup that's going to go in the cupboard, a body of a doll that's going in the bin because I don't use it, Epsom salts to go in the bathroom, another palette, don't need that, don't need that, and then it's just this shelf, and then we can start putting stuff on here to make space that's the plan. Okie dokie karaoke. We've condensed. I'm now going to start moving stuff from here, because this is my altar at the moment. I'm not really sure what to do because I don't use it particularly much at here, and I don't think it needs everything on it. There's quite a lot of crap on it that does not need to be there, so things that don't need to be there I'm going to put over there, and then we can make this into a nice area where I can actually work, because at the moment I literally just put my laptop on my bed and I don't sit at my desk. So yeah, like there's just so much stuff over there. Spell jars that I've made. There's a dead plant there, a gourd, no varnish remover, that doesn't need to be there, like hand sanitizer, these things don't need to be on here. So let's organise this. And this is what's left on here. I'm just going to give it a quick dust and an organise, and then we will continue. This is organised-ish. So I'm now going to get all the makeup and stuff, not makeup, the skincare and stuff that doesn't fit in my bathroom, and put it on here, along with all of my makeup and stuff that I use on here. I'm going to put it on here so this is cleared, because this is just ridiculous on here. Like, oh, the whole thing just stresses me out so much. I'm just trying to organise these. I've got so many bloody pens, and I just pulled something out from it. It's this. Are you ready? Brace yourselves for the ugliest baby picture in the history of the world, and it's me, so I'm allowed to say that. What the fuck is that? I look like a fucking potato. Like, what is that? Like, seriously? Absolutely horrific. I got a bit ahead of myself and forgot to film. I've emptied this and given it a good clean. Just in case you wonder what I listen to whilst I'm cleaning, this is today's, well, the current option, an Ice Cube album, one of my favourites. Yeah, put all the pens up here. Makeup brushes, I know I've got too many. I've given away half already, and I know I've got too many before anyone says you've got too many. I know. Stuff that I use quite a lot goes up here. These are my books that I'm using for study at the moment. More pens. This is more makeup that I use quite a lot. All the makeup I use often is like here, so I'm going to try and make it so it's accessible. And then I'm going to put a chair here. I've got one over here that I painted when I was like 10. Ben uses it as a table, but I'm going to steal it and put it over here for me to use as an actual chair. I'm now going to go in these drawers. I don't even know what's in these drawers, to be honest. Oh look, there's an umbrella there. Because where else would there be an umbrella? What else have we got? Face masks from when we went to Canada. And Ziploc bags. Oh god. This just looks like a lot of crap. That's my boarding passes from Canada, and then it looks like some hair curlers and stuff, which I don't need all of them. That can go in, that's my hairdryer one. That can go in the drawer. Oh god, I'm going to take everything out of here and we'll see what we've got. Look at this cunt I've just found in the drawer. He's still alive, but he can just piss right off, can't he, sleeping that close to my head. Fucking head goes there. That's not allowed. You need to just immediately leave. I'm going to make Ben throw him out the window. Look at that fucker. Piss off. Ben's removed him, but now I'm all nervous that there's going to be more. Like, how fucking rude for him to just be in my drawer like that. Like, what the fuck? Just, ugh. Right, I'm going to get it all out and try not to shit my pants. I look like Sideshow Bob. I just thought, I don't know how long this video is going to be, so this may end up being like a part 2 or a part 3 or a part fucking 15, I don't know, but I thought I would just show you where we're at. So this is the bottom drawer now. We've got a ring light, some card blanks, envelopes, a pen for my laptop, some tools, stuff for packaging, envelopes. These two are now empty. And then all this is empty, and I want to try and empty that pink thing up there as well, and all this has got to go somewhere. Most of this is laptop stuff, and then up here we've got books and What have we got up here? I can't even move. Books and a couple of pens. So all this is desk stuff anyway. This is desk stuff, this is desk stuff. This is going in the bathroom. This is my ridiculous incense. I know I've got an issue. But yeah, that's where we are. So I don't know what part of the video we're on. No idea whatsoever. It's really hot today as well. Seeing the spider, I'm not gonna lie, it has put me off doing any more, but I'm gonna continue. I have got spider spray somewhere, but I don't know where I've put it. It's like a spider repellent, and it's got like peppermint and stuff in it, and like whatever else spiders hate. I don't know where it's gone though. If anyone has any other tips, don't say conkers because they don't do anything. They're meant to do something, but it's the essence within the conker that helps. Putting conkers in the corner does not help. Also, I have a 3-year-old that removes conkers from corners and then hosses them at you, so that doesn't help. I've got up here, we've got my handbags. I haven't got very many. This is a really old one that I love. That one's just got an L on it, like a tote bag. Little leopard print backpack. My Kipling bag, little camo bag, a leopard print, and a donut. Those are my handbags that I tend to use. Yeah, I don't even know. I don't even know what to do. I'm just a bit, I don't know. We'll see. I kind of want to move my bed, but I don't know what's happening. So I'm going to carry on and I'll just show you what happens next. The room is done. I'm very happy. I've got to unbox that. I've got books, I've got work stuff, laptop. All this is sorted out nicely. All the drawers are all organised with like cards and stuff in. All of them are done. This is makeup, so I'll leave this for my declutter of makeup. Camera stuff, bags, iPad. That's like an emergency bag of medicines. Wardrobe we did the other day. This is all nice. We did all these. My printer's there now. Still Ben's chair. And then this is all done. So we've got dolls, smell stuff, heads, all these goodies. And my battery's about to die, so I'm going to call that a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I love you, bye.